Fucking hell, man, it's like a fucking steamboat. Oh, oh, oh. Look at the bend in that rod, right? Look at that, Ryan, that's not even lit up, man. Fucking hell, it's like a brick. Oh, you fucker.
This is a good one, by the way. This will be 5 or 6 pound. Maybe even more than that. Oh, it's not a brownie. You need to put it back. See if it's a brownie.
Still count as my weight?
No, you can't weigh it.
Kidding. Wouldn't I imagine it'd be a brownie?
It might well be.
Go for nymph.
Aye. Brownies take damsels just as easily as any other fish.
Oh, that's a big fuck off rainbow to put me right in the top spot.
It will. This is anywhere 6 or 7 pound, that's you right in the lead.
I've not seen it.
There's this camera.
It's fucking... Look at the bent, Ryan, it's not relaxed a single fucking bit off of that.
Just try and keep it, bit side strain on it that way. Side strain.
Look, it's just fighting me.
Put your rod right down on the water. That is a good one, by the way. Holy shit!
It's a fucking beastie.
It is a beast.
It's a fucking beastie. Scott, wait till you see this. Wait till you see the size of this beastie.
No, it's about 6 or 7 pound.
Well,
Look at it, look at it.
we a fucker, look at the fucking size of that. Oh, oh Ryan, that's better than 7 pound.
No, it's no.
Fucking damn sure that is.
Right in the side of its jotty, right in the scissors.
Can you get that fucking air here? I better no fucking lose this.
You need to get its head right up. I'll get a couple of 40s of this and I'll steer.
Come on.
Hey, hey, hey. Jesus,
Jesus, man.
It's a beach.
Oh, you fucker. Who's the champ? He's that priest, man. I'm going to need a brick to put this out. Fucking Jesus, man. What a fucking kipper.
They fight like that in the net, didn't they?
Set a piece, man. Trout Masters, Ryan.
I don't think the trout masters up here.
Listen to him growling at me.
I don't think the trout masters water. Try to top its head.
Oh, Ryan, look. Fucking fly fell out his gob.
I see, every one of my flies will feel like it.
Oh, look.
Has it got another fly in its mouth?
Aye. Look.
Is that somebody else's?
Gold and black. It's tangled up in mine.
It's obviously snapped somebody else. Right, that's it, hold it up.
Check her out, Tam. Alan.